All for that fucking plug, right? Fucking there. Jesus, dude, that was fucking retarded as fuck. God damn.
That was fucking gnarly, dude.
I'm telling you, dude, that was ridiculous. So just to let you know, when I make my YouTube video, this is how many fucking bolts and shit you have to take out of that fucking truck in order to get the goddamn headlight out. Oh yeah, and don't forget that one. Don't forget to break the little clips. Fucking stupid. I mean, that is mind-bogglingly retarded. These are all the little posts and the clips that you have to fucking deal with. You have to take fucking every single goddamn bolt and the entire fucking thing out. Fender well. And maybe they tightened up the air or the oil filter this time. We'll check that while we're here. Does that thing just unplug or what? I was trying to unplug it the other day and I couldn't get it unplugged. It makes me wonder if that other one might just be the front control.